Nan, Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga. As I always say dito po sa We're in Pampanga, during this quarantine period, we would like to help small businesses and even, mga startup businesses promote their products dito sa ating We're in Pampanga community. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank Teakaboo for sending us these amazing dishes. So actually, na-feature na natin si Teakaboo, particularly yung Angeles City branch nila, and amazing restaurant. Right now, meron silang bagong line of dishes and they call it Mr. Inasal Chicken Pack. Yeah, so ito guys yung gustong pagkita ko sa inyo. Mr. Inasal Chicken Pack. Different number of servings. Merong 4 pieces, 6 pieces, and 8 pieces. You can also choose if Inasal chicken ang gusto mo, which is the grilled part, this one. Or you can choose the fried chicken a la Maxes. 1-piece leg quarter ay available din naman for only 129 pesos. And it comes with fried rice and a potato fries. Of course, hindi mawawala sa Teakaboo ang pack na pakpak ang kanilang mga Teaka wings. Let's check out these foods, guys. So, let's go first with the Teaka wings. Of course, ito, natikman ko na to doon sa mga initial vlogs natin. Yan. So, let's dig in. Oh, wow. Never fails. It never fails. Oh wow. It doesn't need any further dip because yung flavor nito, guys, it goes deep into the meat. You can almost borrow the slogan "Sarap to the bones." Yeah. Wow. Wow, that is so satisfying. Pak na pakpak. Na nap. Okay, next. I can't wait to taste, guys. Ito yung mga Mr. Inasal CDs nila. I think I go first with, since Inasal. So yeah, let's go first with the Inasal. Like I said, so meron siyang whole quarter leg. Meron din siyang rice. Meron din siyang fries. Oh, wow. So, kailangan kong i-comment to, guys. Sobrang sarap ng inasal niya. I think they have mastered yung process kung paano talagang manunuot yung flavor from the meat up into the bones, I mean every part of the meat is so flavorful. Wow. So, konting rice dyan, syempre. Kailangan rice. Chicken skin. And then lastly, guys, ang titikman natin yung fried chicken a la Maxes. We probably all know who Maxes is, and they have a good reputation for their fried chicken. Mr. Inasal by Teakaboo claims to, have their fried chicken style a la Maxes style. It almost instantly peels off the bone. Wow. Again, I really have to commend Teakaboo for mastering the craft on how to cook chicken. The flavors of each chicken is present from the skin to the meat up and to the bones. Talaga namang nap-napan may hanapin kayong Kapampangan. As I always say, take advantage po natin yung ganitong situation wherein we can eat at the comfort of our home. Meron po tayong mga delivery apps or delivery services available here in Pampanga. So you don't need to go out of your houses. Let us all stay at home, stay safe. Again, enjoy good food with your family. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I'm gonna continue this, guys. So, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.